Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is the vlog number 4 of the BMW Z4. So the day is pretty gloomy and we were just pretty much bored at home. We're gonna give it a mod to the BMW Z4 today. We're gonna try to take out the exhaust box that is on the back. I wanna see how this is gonna sound. So pretty much we're gonna start by jacking up the car. Pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this box. This is the stock muffler from the BMW Z4. And then after that, I think we're gonna run the straight pipe. Alright, so pretty much getting back into yesterday's video, so we deleted the OEM exhaust muffler from the BMW Z4 and it ended up pretty late. So here's the stock muffler. Believe it or not, this thing is quite heavy. We're talking about maybe 25 to 30 pounds. Definitely some weight reduction. I'm going to show you guys how this was done, and also I'm going to show you guys how does it sound without a muffler. So the process to release the OEM muffler is pretty simple. Make sure to release all the hanger. Now these are held up by a 13mm bolt onto the frame. This one we just slipped out, and this one we couldn't slip out, so we just released the bolt. So the next step is cutting out the OEM piping. Now be careful by cutting by the welds, because this part over here, it gets really hard to cut. That's why we cut it at a lower point. Alright, so pretty much this is how it looked like after we cut out the OEM muffler. So pretty much this big hole here is where the muffler was sitting. That's the hanger over there that you have to take out. And also there's two bolts right there that you need to release, which is 13mm. So pretty much after all that, the OEM ship box should be out. So pretty much overall, I think with the muffler deleted, it sounds a lot more aggressive and it sounds more tuned. Love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love me.